Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today's video is a short clothing haul video from Central. I have just a few clothing items which I'll share with you all. There was no sale so I didn't buy much, but I really like these things, so let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
The first one here is a jeans, and this is by Lee Cooper, and these are mid-waist slim jeans. Cost of this is 2499 and I love the color. It's a denim blue that goes with most of my outfits, and the best part is these are distressed or torn jeans, like really torn quite a lot. I really like this leg. It's completely torn and it looks really nice. I'll show a try on as well. So I really wanted something which is really distressed but something in dark blue. I do have something like this in light blue, like this one too, and these are stretchable, so very comfortable to wear. You will feel like you don't have something heavy on your legs. This feels very lightweight. The next I have a couple of tops from Jealous 21. This is the first one. These are cold shoulder tops. I don't know, I have a new love from cold shoulder and they are all that I find in the stores as of now. And this is in a nice maroon color. I love the color and it's very smooth, soft cloth, very flowy, very comfortable to wear. It says sometimes it's good to be bad. Badass logo, not so much that I believe in, but the top I really liked. So that's why I got this. As I told, it's by Jealous 21 and it's for $7.99, so not quite expensive too. The second one is again from Jealous 21. And this is a simple top like this in a very nice royal blue color. I actually love the color of this. It just says yes. I don't know what that means, but when I wore this it really looked very simple and stylish. There's a pattern on the back, so rather than a simple end they have two layers on the back. So there is like this something layer kind of thing on the back. I really like the color and it's very simple, casual wear. You can wear this with, jackets or sweaters during winters, and during summers this will look amazing by itself and it's very comfortable. You'll not feel hot or anything. So that's why I chose this. So those are the only 3 clothing items that I bought recently, but I thought of sharing in a video with you all. I hope you liked it, and if you did then please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe in the comment section below. And if you haven't already then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.